This TV I've been working on for a while, and this is the only problem it has. Now I'm thinking the problem is in the IF board, because that board separates the sync signals, the color information, the brightness, everything that's required to make a stable picture. And it has a lot of solid capacitors on there. When I heat them up, the picture stabilizes for a while, and then it goes back to once the capacitors cool down. So I'm going to take this thing apart, I'm going to gut it, and we're going to look at the IF board. The rest of those solid capacitors, I got to change. This is not a picnic for me either. What happened was that with this projection TV with the sync problem, this is the I'm making a video. This is the board that takes care of the IF, the intermediate frequency. After the tuner, through all sources, it goes through this board before the picture-in-picture and before the AV jack board. This board might be the reason why we're having a sync problem. See all these little capacitors here? I changed them almost all. But I'm going to try this now and see what happens. And worst comes to worst, I'll put heat on the capacitor suspected part with the iron and see if I know exactly what's causing this thing. If it's not a capacitor. Stay tuned. We're about to test right now. CRT projection. You see? I mean, it looks a lot better in person than it does on the camera, because the camera is faster than the CRT can retrace. But there's no more lines, there's no more flagging, no more wavy lines, and it works through every input the best. I had to leave a few capacitors in there, so hopefully this holds out pretty well. But it's nice to know that knowledge is power. The problem was the IF block. See, now there's no more sync issues or nothing. Another few years, this TV will last. Another TV saved from the landfill due to the smartness and knowledge. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. I hope you learned something. Thanks.